Being ignored by someone you deeply care about can be incredibly tough. We all want to know what went wrong and why they're not responding to us anymore. So let's explore some practical ways to deal with this situation, drawing from personal experiences. Firstly, try to understand the reason behind their behavior. It could be that they're caught up in their busy life, their feelings have changed, or they might be playing games. It's crucial to identify the cause so you know how to respond appropriately. Next, remember not to take it personally. It's tough, but try not to let it affect your self-esteem. People have their own struggles, and their actions don't always reflect our worth. Detach emotionally and remind yourself that you're amazing just the way you are. Respecting their need for space is important. Bombarding them with messages won't help, trust me. Sometimes, folks need time alone to sort out their feelings. Give them that space, and if they're truly interested, they'll come back. Focus on yourself during this time. Engage in activities that bring you joy, spend time with loved ones, and invest in your passions. Confidence is attractive, and taking care of yourself will make you feel better overall. Don't chase after them desperately. It won't make them change their mind. Respect their boundaries and focus on your own well-being. If they're meant to be in your life, they'll find their way back. If the ignoring continues, consider moving on. Remember your worth and that you deserve to be with someone who values and appreciates you. In conclusion, being ignored hurts, but it's important to handle it with grace. Understand the reason, focus on self-care, and give them space. Remember, your worth isn't tied to their actions. You deserve a loving and caring relationship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe for more helpful tips on dating and relationships. If you have any questions or need advice, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help.